What's going on now? I got a solution for land calculation in C++. I got a bare bones project here. I include the IO stream, use the namespace std, got the int main function with the return 0 at the end. All right, so the first things first, I need to create some variables. I got a constant integer variable called 1 acre of land. And that's set equal to, say, 57.45.0 to that many acres. All right, and then the next thing I need to do is I'm going to create another variable. This is going to be an integer variable, and it's called number of acres, and we'll say that the number of acres is, I don't know, 135,000. Okay. All right, so real quick, the constant integer, this is a constant mean keyboard helps it. Basically, this is the constant keyword lets the computer know that this variable it cannot be changed throughout the program. So if I try to change it throughout the program, the computer is going to throw an error back saying, "Hey, what's going on? You put const right here. That means you're trying to change it, and this is not letting you." That the computer will tell you that if there is no const in front of it, that means this variable can be changeable anywhere here throughout the program. Okay, so I got my input information here, and the next thing I need to do is process some information. So still underneath this declaration, as you can see, I got a comma there instead of a semicolon. So I'm going to continue this statement right here in creating another variable that's processing some information or calculating some information, and this is called acreage, and it's going to be set equal to the number of acres divided by the 1 acre of land. All right, and this is the information that's been processed or calculated, and it's still part of this statement because the semicolon is not until here, and this is the beginning of that statement, and that should be it. Yeah, that should be it. So the next thing I need to do is output some information to the user. So I'm going to use a cout statement, put the end L right here, and I'm just going to real quick drop this down, put another end L, and that's the end of the statement, right? So in between there, I'm going to add some more. I'm going to say 1 acre equals one acre of land. So basically, I'm gonna output all the information that's within the program, all the variables. So this variable, this variable, this variable. So the 1 acre of land is right here. This is just what it's going to look like. Okay, the next line is going to say number of acres. And that's set equal to number of acres and L. And L is basically, it returns to the next line. It's a line break. It returns to the next line. And then the next one is total acreage. And that's set equal to the total acreage. All right, like so. Let me tab this forward. Okay. So this is the output information to the user. There's no errors here. And so in order to run this program, I need to open up a terminal. So if you're using an IDE, there's usually like a play button somewhere around here. You can press play and it'll run it for you. But I'm just going to do it manually. So I'm going to open a terminal. Here's the file. It's in this folder called C++ programming. I'm just going to right click, open integrated terminal. It's going to open up here on the bottom. So here's the folder that we're in inside the terminal. If I hit ls, it'll show me all the files that are in there. So I want to use this file right here. So in order to compile it, I need to say C++000.cpp. So that's this file right here that has this information in it. Hit enter. It compiles it for me. Then I need to run the program using ./a.out. Hit enter. All right, and there's the information printed to the user.